Searching for the most effective ways to teach your teen the essential life skills they'll need for success? Look no further.
Introducing How to Not Make Adulting Suck.
A desperate parent's guide to boosting teen independence using tips on personal finance, work ethic, healthy living, social skills, basic survival skills, and more.
Within this guide you'll find an overview of the essential skills every teen needs to be prepared for adult life, not just cooking and cleaning, but emotional and social skills as well.
In How to Not Make Adulting Suck, here is just a fraction of what you will discover.
Practical tactics and strategies for encouraging independent growth and responsibility while still providing support, structure, and safety.
5 essential lessons about money every teen should know before they graduate.
The 4 types of social skills and what your teen needs to know about each one.
How to teach sound financial practices that will help your teen develop a realistic, measured attitude towards money.
Action steps to help you take adulting from the theoretical to the practical.
What it really means to lead a healthy lifestyle and the aspects of health your teen might not have given enough thought to.
How to encourage the development of emotional regulation skills to navigate even the most stressful of situations.
Why having a strong work ethic can make such a huge difference for your teen's success in the classroom and working world.
Essential skills every teenager should master before they move out of the house. And much more.
Teaching your teen how to handle the challenges life will throw at them is one of the most important things you'll do as a parent.
Discover how to prepare your teen for adult life and feel confident in that they have all the knowledge they need to succeed.
How to Not Make Adulting Suck is available at Amazon. Get your copy today.